At WDS 2026, national pavilions are where countries showcase their most advanced military technologies and export ambitions. In this video, Army Recognition takes you inside to highlight the key defense systems presented at the show.
We are now on the Spanish pavilion with many companies presenting different types of military equipment, including drones, ammunitions, and services. In the field of naval defense industry, one of the most important shipyard manufacturer, Navantia, display different types of scale model of submarines and warships. You can see now one of the most important shipyard manufacturer in Italy, Fincantieri, showcasing different type of scale model of submarine and warship. France is also one of the most important international pavilion at WDS 2026, with companies like Airbus, Thales and Naval Group, but also different type of small companies presenting new innovation and technology to respond to the new threats, but also to the new request of international armed forces. We are on the booth of Eurosam, a producer and manufacturer of air defense missile system, and you can see here a scale model of the SAMP-T-NG. This is the latest generation of SAMP-MT. This air defense system is already in service with the Ukrainian armed forces. One of the most important Belgian company, John Cockerill Defense, display a full range of different types of military equipment, including weapon station, training systems, and also the latest generation of 4x4 APC, the Mavericks. There is also a large presence of the United States and Canada, who display different types of military equipment in the field of land, air and sea. We are now on the booth of Slovakia Defense Industry, who present two new products in the field of artillery system. You can see now the EVA M2. This is a new 6x6 wheel self-propelled howitzer, fully designed and manufactured in Slovakia. A very interesting new military equipment unveiled for the first time at WDS 2026 in the SAM 120. During the show, Azerbaijan has announced its intention to purchase 92 vehicles from Slovakia. This is a very unique design. The vehicle is based on a 6x6 truck chassis, but at the rear of the vehicles you can see a completely fully autonomous mortar system armed with a 130mm mortar. The vehicle can be used only with two people. The commander and the driver can control all the firing operation from each side of the crew cabin. The US-based company, the Harmwood Group, present a very unique combat vehicle. It's not really a combat vehicle, it's a defense and security vehicles, especially designed for police forces and SWAT team. You can see this is a complete, fully designed armoured mounted on a Polaris quad vehicle. In this case, it is an opportunity for police officers to be inside and fully protected by armor, but offering also 3D vision all around the vehicle. Chessery is a Thai defense company who produce and manufacture different types of 4x4 armored vehicles. But recently, the company has unveiled a new 8x8 amphibious combat vehicles. We are now on the booth of Azerbaijan. This is very interesting because they have now developed a fully defense industry in the country, and they can produce different types of military equipment, including a full range of drones, small arms and mortar system, and ammunition. Egypt, with its defense local industry, also exhibit at World Defense Show 2026 with a full range of different type equipment, fully designed and manufactured in Egypt. And you can see now the booth of Egypt defense industry, and there is several military equipment, including weapon system, anti-tank launcher, some small boats, and also combat armored vehicles and rocket launcher. At the WDS 2026, the Ukrainian company Ukraine Armor Tech present two new versions of its 4x4 armored vehicles. At World Defense Show, there is also a fully outside area dedicated for the aerospace defense exhibition. You can see different types of fighter aircraft, military helicopters, and also military transport aircraft. You can see Black Hawk, Apache attack helicopter, F-15, and also the famous A400 Airbus military transport aircraft. One of the most important national pavilion at WDS 2026 is China. And now let's go to see a virtual tour about what you can see about the Chinese defense industry at WDS 2026. China has developed a full range of dock robotic solution. This is an unmanned ground vehicle, but using the philosophy of a dock. In this case, you can see that the dock system can carry an assault rifle type AK-47, or also, this is very unique, you can see another version of the dock robotic solution carrying 4 anti-tank guided launcher systems. And now to finalize this virtual tour of WDS 2026, we are now on the booth of Pakistan. GITS, this is the National Defense Industry Development, and they present different types of drones, loitering munition, and also ballistic missile and cruise missile.